V-Money. State your name and occupation.
Mvako. Wachito Mvako.
Why
Give me.
not Luganda? Will you tell us your name?
My name.
Yeah. This is a lot harder than I
Juni.
Let me hear that. What? Wait. What?
We just want to know, who do you think would win in a fight? Matoke or a gorilla?
Wait, I don't know.
You don't know?
Matoke
Why?
or gorilla?
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Why?
I've never
Gorilla would
seen
eat
gorilla.
Matoke.
Matoke. Hot bananas. I'd take them with gorillas, but I bet
I
he'd
think
be
so.
so shocked.
Is it a silverback?
Is it a silverback?
No.
Monkey.
No, just a mom gorilla and Matoke.
A mama gorilla.
What do you think?
And the Matoke is between her and her baby.
I don't know. I don't.